Alrighty, today we're gonna go through a quick unboxing of the Protectli firewall. This is an Amazon purchase. We're gonna see how it fares and what we get. This is the appliance bare bones. Alright, so right off the bat, pretty nice looking product. Simple to get the VGA out, SSD, or I should say super speed USB. We got 4 ports, 12 volt for the power supply. So it comes with the serial cable. It does have a COM port on it. Power cable. And just in case you guys want to see what it says there, you can pause it. Onto and a mounting bracket. Alright, well, that was the quick unboxing of the firewall itself. I will be putting up another video where we take it apart and get the mSATA drive and the memory module installed in there. So here's our firewall appliance. We've got a nice big heat sink up top, 4 screw ports at the bottom. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and click on the thumbs up. If you'd like to know when we post a new video, go ahead and click on the bell. Also, if you'd like to contract with us for any of the IT services or support that we offer, head over to our website and click on the Contact Us page to let us know. Thanks.